There we go. Ooh, that was close. Hello there and welcome back to a new YouTube video. I've got the GoPro on the front. It looks like a dick. But nevertheless, two camera angles are better than one. Let's filter through the traffic here. Oh, what a day. My visor's like the lock thing's broke. Hopefully you can see me good and well. We're just on our way to meet Jack and Jack, the Lex Motor crew, LXR gang. We're on our way to meet them. And yeah, we're going to a Cheeky Bastard meet. It's Wednesday, and yeah, we're gonna get clacking. Cameras bouncing around like there's no tomorrow. But the GoPro stabilisation is decent in it, so theoretically it should be good. Just hoping that mount stays. Should do. It's been setting for like a week. Well, in fact longer. You know, there's no one there. You daft. Oh, Kawasaki. It's clean. It's Kawasaki. You won't just stay like there, like my other voice does. Boy, you're just my stinky link, so don't get in touch with me. I'm steaming up. Steaming up. Do not turn in my path. I think it's the GoPro making the screen bounce around, because I've never noticed that before. Mr. CBA. Lovely stuff. Jumpty jump jump. I think it's half term, isn't it? I think it's half term. I wonder what I look like. Is that the keyway or is it the... I noticed the Benelli BN is basically the keyway now, isn't it? Oh, lovely. Stupid ass. It's a bit windy. Hocus pocus brocus. It's nice to be out on the boat though. Gives me freedom. In time then, Jesus. I'm loving the Hyundai i10. Go on, love, let it rip. Let it go shebang. So the GoPro was fixed. It literally, the order sheet said, well, not the order sheet, like the sheet when it came back, they said by email it will say what was wrong with it, and what we fixed, basically what was wrong with it, once you get it back. I was like, oh, brilliant. But it just says that it was broken because of damage. Didn't say what damage, just apparently because of damage. So, who knows? I don't know. Why you just want to take a look? Why do you get text me? Don't motherfucking text me. No, calm down. I'm not gonna let you out. Hey, we let the cars out. We let the women and the stars. I'm so funny. I'm so funny. Is there an opportunity to say bye-bye to this truck? No. Suppose we'll have to just sit behind it. So, how's it looking? How's the GoPro looking? I want to get the... Oh shit. No, press my intercom. Fucking how close trying to get up my arse? See what I mean? Douches like that. We want to set up your bottom, but then don't want the... It would be overrun, but obviously everyone's on throttle. Everyone's on throttle. Oh, here's where the stabilisation gets... I can't even speak. Here's where the stabilisation gets tested on the GoPro. This road's bumpy. Nice colour. It's like a Nardo grey. Yeah, it is Nardo grey, innit? That Audi's have. I can promise you that's not an Audi though. Oh, hot on. Bit windy. It's a bit windy today. Hoo-hoo. Switch the front end then. Leaves, man. I told you, fucking leaves. I remember I used to have scraps on there at school. I've been watching a programme with the missus on BBC One. It's about like accidents and stuff like that and how they get analysed. Is that a word? I don't have a Scooby. Is it analysed? Analysis? Well, analysis, but analysis. You know what I'm fucking trying to say, don't you? What's up, baby cakes?